What's the word, YouTube? Back with another video, man. Today is gonna be another POV drive, man. It's kind of raining outside, so I'm not gonna do too much. It's probably gonna be just a chill little POV, you know. Yeah, I saw the last video, and that last video did so well. And I appreciate all of you guys, all the new subs, man. Welcome to the channel, man. It's crazy. I'm just at a loss for words. I mean, I didn't think that video would do that well, but yeah, I appreciate you guys so much. I appreciate all the new supporters, man. This has been a fun little journey for me. Like I've always said, I mean, I just do this, you know, just for fun, just because I genuinely enjoy making videos. But the fact that you guys are actually enjoying them and you guys are supporting the channel, it doesn't go unnoticed. I appreciate you guys a lot, man. And I'm gonna continue to, you know, post consistently. And yeah, I'm at a loss for words, you know. But I'm not gonna get too deep about that. Hopefully y'all been doing okay, doing good. All right. Hopefully y'all been doing good. Everything's been good. School for me has been a little busy. I can't lie. It's been getting a little more busy. But you know, I've been adapting to the new environment, you know, and I've been trying to find a way, you know, to find different ways to go out and still have time to record, you know, because I've sort of made this YouTube thing a priority for me, you know. So yeah, I've just been trying to find different ways to get stuff done more efficiently and effectively. So right now I'm actually on my way back to school, so I thought, why not just record it, you know, a little POV in the rain. The workload has definitely picked up a little bit, so if there are days where I don't upload, like my schedule that I have planned is Mondays and Thursdays that I upload. But if I do miss an upload on that day, expect the video to be coming that next day or within the next couple of days. If I miss a day in a week, it's probably gonna shift both of those uploads for the week. So if I miss a Monday and I upload on like Tuesday, I'm probably not gonna upload on Thursday. I'll probably upload on Friday. Like, I know that's what I did last week. I posted on, I think, Tuesday that was, and I didn't end up posting the other video until Saturday. And that was simply off the fact that I didn't want to give y'all another POV video, simply because I was going to a car meet on Thursday and I wanted to give y'all that video instead. So yeah, I mean, I've just been trying to find new ways to spice up the content, man. I got so much more stuff I want to do to the car, but I got some stuff going on, so it's just really not a whole bunch that I've been doing to the car. I've just been really enjoying it, to be honest. It's been driving great, so I've just been enjoying it, man. It's just a great daily. It really is. It's definitely the best daily I've ever had. Yeah, I got some, actually, fun fact, the regulator in this window went out, so I had to order that. I had to order the replacement regulator, so that doesn't come in until tomorrow, because today is Monday. I'm gonna try to get this video out to y'all today. It's 11 o'clock right now, so if I can hurry up and get this video edited, I'm gonna try to get it out to you guys. But so I might record me fixing that. I mean, Let me know if y'all want me to record that. It's not really it's not a hard process. I've done this one and the rear on the passenger side. I've done those two, and it's not that hard, but it might be a little bit different because this side's got all this control moduling and stuff. So it might be different, like with the wiring behind there, but overall the process is just not that. It's just not a hard process. It just takes a minute. You know, you just gotta take your time. So I don't know why I don't just turn on the window thing. Another thing I do need to get fixed for the car though, the wrap on this mirror is kind of coming up. So I'm gonna take it over to my guys. I think I'm gonna take it over to them this weekend, and I'm gonna see if they can fix that for me real quick. The list keeps getting bigger and bigger of just stuff I want to do, you know. But I also took a different way to get to school, to get back to my school, just to switch up the scenery. I've done a decent amount of POVs going the other way that I usually go. I thought maybe I should just switch it up, switch up the scenery, you know. I mean, like I said, since I don't have too much going on with the car right now, it's just hard for me to give y'all some different content, you know. That's why I've been, like, that car meet was like perfect, because I could give y'all something different, you know. Hopefully I can get to a couple more of those though, because I really enjoyed that, and I can definitely tell y'all enjoyed that too. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna see. There should be one coming up this weekend, hopefully. I'm not completely sure. That's another thing that I got on my list to upgrade is wipers. These wipers are trash. I think I said that in like one of my recent videos. These wipers are terrible. So and when I get the new ones, I'm probably gonna replace this cowl that's up here too, because it's trash too. It's basically, it's like all ate out and breaking up into pieces and stuff. So I'm probably gonna replace that too at the same time. All the seals are good, like the window, the windshield seals, and then the rear, the back window, the seals are good. So I don't need to replace those. Those already have been replaced. So yeah, I'm gonna keep on working on this trim though, like the window trim. I'm gonna keep working on it. It was really bad before, but I've been working on it the past couple weeks, and it's been getting a little bit better. It's been getting a little darker, back to its original color. I just gotta keep messing with it. And then this car needs a good wax. Like, it just needs to be waxed. So I might make that a video where I just sit there and I just put a nice wax on the car, you know. I did like a little demo whenever I put this spoiler on the car. I did like a little demo on like the trunk, and I put a little wax on the trunk, and it definitely helped a lot more. Yeah, it kind of stopped raining for a second. It was downpouring for like most of the morning, but kind of slowed down once I decided to come out. Yeah, I still got a little minute to drive, I'm not gonna lie. This way that I'm taking, it takes longer. It takes a little longer to get back to school, because you just gotta, it is a whole different route. Whole different route. That's another thing that I'm scared of, because I was talking about lowering this car. These roads here are so bad to the point where I'm low-key kind of scared to lower this car. Like, I really want to lower this car. I really want to do it. But these roads are just terrible here. Like, especially, as soon as I said it, like, especially where I'm at, as far as like my school, where my school is at, they're just, the roads are just not the best, you know. I'm really happy with these tires too. These tires are doing really good. It's a good all season. It's a nice all season tire. If you don't know, I'm running Potenzas all around. Running Potenzas 235 45 17s all around. They're doing really good. Yeah, they're doing really good. I don't have any traction issues or anything. And these cars burn tires. I don't know what it is, but these cars really like burn tires. So these have been holding up pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this little POV here. Appreciate all the love and the support. Appreciate all the new subs. If you are new here and you do enjoy E39 content, make sure you subscribe. But yeah, for all my subs, man, make sure you like and comment down below what you want to see next. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.